10.218. PAB is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. PAB is the midpoint of line segment between the axes. So consider a line. Suppose this is the line. So origin. So line segment between the axes means AB. AB is the line. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So line segment between the axes means AB. Then PAB is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. So that means P is the midpoint of AB. Given that PAB coordinates AB is the midpoint of AB. Given then show that equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So we have to prove that the equation of this line L, equation of this line AB or line L is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So here the line intersect x-axis and y-axis. So we can, if you know x-intercept and y-intercept, we can write the equation of the line x by A plus y by B equal to 1. But that A here given that as a AB as the midpoint, so we cannot use for x-intercept A, small letter A. So something else we have to use. So x-intercept be alpha. So we can take this point A as alpha comma 0. So any point you can take. Now B be the point 0 comma beta. So here x-intercept of the line is alpha, y-intercept of the line is beta. Now if you find alpha and beta, we can find the equation of line x by alpha plus y by beta equal to 1. So using given information, what is given? PAB is the midpoint of AB. Using that we can find alpha and beta, that is x-intercept and y-intercept. So we can find the equation of the line. So using this midpoint formula, we can use midpoint formula. So PAB is the midpoint of AB. PAB is midpoint of AB. Therefore, we can use midpoint formula. X coordinate alpha plus 0 by 2 equal to A. Alpha plus 0 divided by 2 equal to x coordinate. And beta 0 plus beta. 0 plus beta divided by 2 equal to B, y coordinate. So this y coordinate plus this y coordinate by 2, this y coordinate, x coordinate plus x coordinate by 2, this A. So using this we can find alpha and beta, x-intercept and y-intercept. So using this we get therefore alpha equal to 2A. Here therefore beta equal to, beta plus 0 beta, beta equal to 2 into B, cross multiply. So we got alpha, which is x-intercept, equal to 2A. Y-intercept, beta, equal to 2B. So getting x-intercept and y-intercept, we can write the equation of the line. That is x by x-intercept. What is x-intercept? Alpha. This alpha, 2A. Therefore, equation of the line is x by 2A plus y by beta, y-intercept. So what beta is 2B. So y by 2B equal to 1. This is the intercept form. Intercept form is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Here A and B are x-intercept and y-intercept. Don't confuse with this A and B. They have given A and B as midpoint of the line segment. So remember that our x-intercept is alpha, here y-intercept beta. So using that we found the equation. Now this by 2, here common by 2, now that we can cross multiply to other side. Or multiply throughout the equation by 2. So what we get? X by A plus y by B equal to 2 into 1, 2. So that is what we want to prove. So equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So prove that equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So if you find x-intercept and y-intercept of a line, we can write the equation of the line. So we got the equation. Now see the next question, question number 19. So here, given that point RHK divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. So line segment, same as above, that last question. See here, line segment between the axes. So this is the line. So this we can name AB. So line segment between the axes, that is AB. That given that RHK divides line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. So that ratio when you take, you have to be careful, because that divides the line segment between the axes. Means between x-axis and y-axis in the ratio 1:2. So here, suppose this is the point RHK. So this divides the line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. So near x-axis 1 and this 2, 1:2. So start from x-axis. So this 1:2 ratio. Now take here this point is h comma k. So you can take x-intercept and y-intercept A and B. Usual representation we can use. So here we can take A comma 0 and this point we can take 0 comma B. So given that this RHK divide AB in the ratio 1:2. So you can use the section formula. So using section formula, how we can write? So using section formula, 1 into, here 1 into this x coordinate, 1 into 0 plus, then 2 into this x coordinate A plus 2 into A, 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 2 into A divided by 1 plus 2. This is x coordinate, that is equal to this x coordinate h. Then consider y coordinate, 1 into B, 1 into B plus, then 2 into 0, 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. That is y coordinate. This is y coordinate. That is equal to k. Using this, we can find x-intercept A and y-intercept B. Then we can substitute in the intercept form. So here, using this, simplify this. So what we get? 2A divided by 3 equal to h. Therefore, A equal to 3h divided by 2. Now, using second equation, B plus 0, B by 3 equal to k. Therefore, B equal to 3k. So, we got x-intercept and y-intercept. Here, x-intercept is A, y-intercept B. X-intercept A equal to 3h by 2, y-intercept B equal to 3k. So, we can write the intercept form of equation of line, that is x by A. X-intercept is intercept form. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. That is the intercept form. We can substitute A and B here. So, simplifying, we will get the equation. Now, we can substitute in this equation this A and B. This we can substitute. So, x by A, that is 3h by 2 plus y by B, y by 3k. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. So, now we can simplify. So, this we can take to numerator, 2x by 3h plus y by 3k equal to 1. See, we can multiply here, 3 we can cancel, multiplying by 3. 3 into 2x by 3h plus 3 into y by 3k equal to 3 into 1. So, this 3 cancel, so we get 2x by h plus y by k equal to 3. Now, we can cross multiply 2kx plus y into h into y equal to divided by h into k equal to 3. So, cross multiplying, we get 2kx plus hy by hk equal to 3. Cross multiplying 2kx plus hy, 2kx plus hy equal to 3 into hk equal to 3hk. So, that is the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Question is find the equation of the line. So, we got the equation of the line. Okay.